Hello, my happy littles. We know so many sight words by now, so time to read them in sentences. Let's go. This book is about a cat. This book is about a cat. Next one. One flower was for him. One flower was for him. Next, how many children had a cap? How many children had a cap? Ready for the next one? Each baby had an apple. Each baby had an apple. Well tried. Let's look at this one. Which car was for him? Which car was for him? Next one. Look up at the sun. Look up at the sun. Well done. Let's read this. Do not run out. Do not run out. Next one. Their dog was by the tree. Their dog was by the tree. Excellent. Read this. One pencil or many pencils. One pencil or many pencils. Next, there was a banana for her. There was a banana for her. Good job. Hope you're enjoying reading. The next one. What will we do with the apple? What will we do with the apple? Ready for the next? What was in the box? What was in the box? Well tried. This one now. Use the key for the door. Use the key for the door. Two more to go. What is in the other box? What is in the other box? And the final one comes without any picture. When will we use each word? When will we use each word? Great effort indeed. Wow, you read all the sentences so well. I'm sure that was a lot of fun. So, keep practicing and become an expert reader. Goodbye.